Good afternoon, everybody. This is Saiid Zamani, realtor, real estate agent with Keller Williams Realty here in Philadelphia Metro or Philadelphia suburbs. Today we are doing an RMC, raw market coverage. What does this mean? How can it help you? And why do we need to do it? Number one, you deserve the value. You deserve to know what we are looking at. Number two is as a real estate agent, what if we have a showing helping a seller selling their home for the most? We need to be expert at our local markets. And today we're going to cover Philadelphia metro area of Chester County, Montgomery County, Delaware County, Bucks, and Berks. And we are going to also show you how our local MLS called Bright MLS is seeing the data and what we are seeing here on our screen. All right, let's get to it. Number one, we want to make sure you see a little bit more so you see on the coverage. We wanted to do this because we want you to see what we are seeing. So there is no AI or different program. We are covering this week's ending July 28th, just 2 days ago, so Sunday. And today we're going to go into Philadelphia Metro. Before we go in there, we also have data and additional help in different areas as you see on your screen. The one thing I can tell you is as a realtor here in Pennsylvania, I'm licensed in Pennsylvania, have a big network of Keller Williams agent and other agent that can help you in other part of Bright MLS footprint, we call it, the areas. Let's get to Philadelphia area. We're going to go into so you can see the information that we're looking at, and we are actually at Philadelphia Metro. What does Philadelphia Metro cover? There it is. Bucks County, Montgomery County, Chester County, Delaware, and Philadelphia County. On the Jersey side, New Jersey, Gloucester, Camden, Burlington, and Mercer counties. Then south to Delaware area, Newcastle, and Kent County. This is called Philadelphia Metro. As you see on your screen, compared to a year ago, or is in orange, compared to a week ago, is in light green or green. What we are looking at actually is still a good data. If you take a look, we are seeing about 15 plus percent in home value increase. Active listings are up. New listings are up a little bit compared to last year, down a little bit from last week because last week we came off the prior holiday weekends and 2 weeks prior to that. So we are going to go into weekly showings. We want you to look at what we are seeing. What is very interesting is 2024, as you see, compared to 2023, 2022, and 21, we are trending fairly good. 21 was high because of the slowness and the data that we had from 2020. So I would say 2024 is more of a very, very normal year that we had. We have more listings than in 2019. However, there are more buyers that are out buying. So new purchase contract, if you take a look, we are still trending good. It's right here as you see. And we are trending like last year. Now, if you take a look at the curve around the holidays, July and August, always some slowness coming in, kicking in. This is the last 3, 4 years. Pretty amazing, right? Now we're going to go over to weekly median time to contract. What does this mean? Now, in 2000, I would say 2018, 19, the average days on the market before we went on contract was 35, 40 days. Nowadays, we are around 7 to 10 days, still in Philadelphia suburbs. There it is. There's one of them. Right now, we are actually up to 17, 18 days. But if you take a look, the 2021 and 22, where the rates were around 3%, we were hovering around 8 days. That's just a record, right? And now going into weekly new listing, there's inventory coming in. What in industry we call is absorption rate or inventory levels. If we didn't get any inventory to the market, how long would it take for all inventories to sell before we don't have any more inventories? And right now, if you take a look, these are our new listing, weekly new listing. It's about 2.5 months. Normally, in our industry, we call it seller's market upwards of up to 5 months. and anything above 5 months and so on is becoming a seller's market. More likely around 6 months of inventory. That's what the stats and historic data tells us. We're looking at weekly listings. If you take a look at weekly ending, we are still trending upwards. So when you look at the data in our area, it is not as bad as the national media and media in general make it. In Philadelphia metro area, and Philadelphia itself is seeing a robust strength in inventories. I know it isn't a lot, but we are still seeing enough. Now, if you take a look at weekly percentage of active listing with price decreases, we are trending a little bit higher than last year. Everybody wants the higher prices. We want all of our sellers to walk away with most money and net profit. However, the market is decided by the market and buyers. Now, I've been looking at cancel listings. We are seeing a little bit more because there's a lot of life changes. Mortgage rates this past couple of days, according to mortgage lenders, hovering at around almost 6.8. As always, talk to a mortgage professional, talk to a mortgage lender, banks, they have the rates, and it's always based on different factors. So it may vary, but right now I would say 6.8 to about 7.25. And that's what's Philadelphia metro area. What is very interesting right now when we look at Philadelphia metro area, comparing it to other metro areas, the top 10 biggest media markets such as Los Angeles, New York, Chicago, and Dallas, we are still trending good, just not good enough. Now, if you are a buyer, highly recommend talking to a local professional that knows the market. Talk to a lender before you go out there. Right now in Collegeville, Limerick, I myself have had put offers out where people are receiving within 2 to 3 days anywhere between 3 to 5 offers minimum for home price between 400,000 up to $800,000. It's Saiid Zamani with Keller Williams Realty. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.